Inovando sempre.
Que música você curte mesmo? Eu gosto disso. É muito
cause I won't stop until I make you rock. So understand that I can make you dance, 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 dance. I'm a warrior, coming out like a villain. Never take a loss cause I'm all about winning. I can make you dance when you really don't want to. 5 minutes of this and I got you. I'm a R-A-P-P-E-R-M-C, the L-A-D-I-E-S, love me. And I won't stop until I make you rock. So understand that I can make you dance. This beat is hard. Like 007, I'm on a mission, making people dance, drop a sucker who's dishing. Keep the crowd grooving cause the beat is kinda soothing to the ear. Yo, I give you what you wanna hear, I can make you dance and make you shout. Cause I'm all about the emo anyway without a doubt. And I won't stop until I make you rock. So understand that I can make you dance, 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 dance. The beat is on, you know it's in me. Get on the floor, don't wanna see nobody singing. Cause I go and flow, when I'm on the mic make you dance and do what you like. It's a simple calculation like 1 and 1 is 2. I don't do this all for me, I do it all for you. And I won't stop until I make you rock. So understand that I can make you dance. This beat is hard. Let the rhythm. This beat is hard. Let the rhythm.
Here's one that's cool, crazy, in the groove, super, and sincerely yours.
Let the rhythm take control of your mind, your body, and your soul. Let the rhythm take control of your mind, your body, and your soul. Let the rhythm take control of your mind, your body, and your soul. Let the rhythm take control of your mind, your body, and your soul. Let that rhythm take control of your mind, your body, and your soul. Let the rhythm my children